je te reçois, Audrey, comme épouse, et je promets de te rester fidèle dans le bonheur et dans les épreuves, dans la santé et dans la maladie, pour t'aimer tous les jours de ma vie.
Moi, Audrey, je te reçois Ludovic comme époux, et je promets de te rester fidèle dans le bonheur et dans les épreuves, dans la santé et dans la maladie, pour t'aimer tous les jours de ma vie.
Say where the road goes, where the day is when it all began. You found a home in the palm of my hands. The minute I held you to my chest, I knew I found the only one for me. Such a beautiful sound. Sing for me, my darling. Won't you sing it for me? Let my fingertips keep playing your sweet melody. Sing for me, my darling. Don't need no symphony. Let my fingertips keep playing your sweet melody. You help me write a song when I've nothing to say. When I need you most, oh, you're not far away. The minute I held you to my chest, I knew I'd found the only one for me. Such a beautiful sound. Sing for me, my darling. Won't you sing it for me? Let my fingertips keep playing your sweet melody. Sing for me, my darling. Don't need no symphony. Let my fingertips keep playing your sweet melody. Sing for me, my darling. Don't need no symphony. Let my fingertips keep playing your sweet melody.
Sipping on my boots, going back to my roots, to the place of my birth, back down to earth. Not talking about the roots in the land, I'm talking about the roots in the man. Sipping on my boots, going back to my roots. I'm homebound, got my head turned around. Going back to find myself, and I can't leave with nobody else. Living in a world of fantasy, I'm living in a world of fantasy. Sipping on my boots, going back to my roots, to the place of my birth, back down to earth. Not talking about the roots in the land, I'm talking about the roots in a man. Sipping on my boots, going back to my roots, to the place of my birth,